Today we have a lot of animals with alphabets. Let's learn their names one by one. Are you ready, kids? Let's start. The first one is a leopard. This is a leopard. A leopard. L is for leopard. A tiger. T is for tiger. Tiger. The next one is alligator. A is for alligator. A for alligator. A zebra. This is a zebra. Z is for zebra. The next one is a lion. This is a lion. L is for lion. The next animal is a hippo. This is a hippopotamus. H is for hippo. The next one is a monkey. M for monkey. The next one is a peacock. P is for peacock. The next one is elephant. L is for elephant. The next animal is a bird. B is for bird. The next one is rhino. This is a rhino. R for rhino.